Non Hejong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EMR Pu Kepek Pon Tang Bang Githom Atumaphan Karcho Sai Kedeng. West Karbi Anglong District Ben Meghalaya State Ahoy Kidai Block 1 Lapen Block 2 Aputhak Nongpo Circuit House along Mai Kangni. PWD Hamren Road Division Pentowar Kasalam Akilia Saiki Oi. Kardom Karbi Prime Time along Penili Widerburn Kropi Non Beer Tang Non Pen Archuekta Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along Non Hejong EMR Pukelong Bangi Thomatumaphan Pai Kunini Pai Inkora Hiniani EMSir Kutmati Chamber along Karchupona Birta Perange Pen Birta Nangpali Non Hejong EMR Pukipek Pon Horen Singh Bay Lun Singh Teron Lapen Mongol Singh Timung Bangi Thomatumaphan Amithang EMSir Kuralong Paching Niponsi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Pen Karcho Sai Kepadupon Lapan alang Litumaphan Karbia Po Pen Karcho Pon Pado Man Kedo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Long Hang Pen Karcho Sai Kechalin Ponalong Man Kedo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman Loki Timung Deputy Chairman Ritesh Inghi EM MEC Duan Lapen Sai Kam Sai Pumar Pen Cheng Long Pen An Ketheke Dinga Tum Tach Chetong Dun Si Mai RDP Dun
Councilor Hotel Strain Ase Cabinet Ase Committee Ase Suidhojan 14 Ase কিন্তু আগতে আমাৰ গভৰ্ণৰ এছএন দিছে বাকি তিনটা বাকি আছে ফিলাপ কৰিব কাৰণে আজি গভৰ্ণৰ দিয়াৰ পিছত এছএন দিয়াৰ পিছত আজি তিনিজন কাৰ্যকৰী সদস্য আজি বহাইছে তেওঁলোকৰ তিনিজন হৈছে মহচিন টিমু পৱন সিং আৰু লুচিং তিনিজনক আজি কাৰ্যকৰী সদস্য হিচাপে আজি গভৰ্ণৰ পৰা
Sir, department bila kita dibu?
Department bila kita dibu department dibu.
Assam Meghalaya Ahoy Mate West Karbi Anglong District Block 1 Lapen Block 2 Ahoy Aputhak Nongpo Circuit House along Pai Kunini Pai Inkora Hiniani District Kethom West Karbi Anglong West Giant Hills District Ripoy District Administration Lapen Law and Order Atum Chingrum Pet Pen Ahoy Alam Kaching Waida Mabirta Card News Perang Kejasan Inghi Pen Birta Nakpali Assam Lapen Meghalaya State Chikak Dak Api Block 1 Lapen Block 2 Ahoyan Ki Assam Arlo Mate West Karbi Anglong Aphan Pipon Do Lapen Noranta Dobomlan Bon Setami Meghalaya Tumpen Non Hejong Winter Session along Kachiparai Pon Alam Thi Block 1 Lapen Block 2 at Kiputhot Meghalaya Phanak Chipipon Nang Popalam Central State Government Lapen Karbi Anglong District Aphan Alo Kipipon Api District Kethom West Karbi Anglong West Giant Hills District Lapen Ripoy District Administration Lapen Law and Order Atum Chingrum Petpen Ahoy Alam Kachingwai Padoponlo Bon Setami Ahoy Alam Ke State Lapen Central Government Ang Bok Se Chingwai Pon Po Kuchiparai Ponlo Bangso Mai Ripoy District Deputy Commissioner RM Kurba Pen Mai Chephem Phupon along Manpek Pen Kachitong Dun West Karbi Anglong DC Devajyoti Hajarika West Karbi Anglong District SP Brinal Talukdar 20 number by Thalangsu MLA Dr. Mansing Rongpi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Rup Singh Teron ARO Dilip Teron Hamren Division DFO Borsing Bay Chinthong Development Block Lapen Amri Development Block BDO Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Secretary In Charge Revenue Michael Timuatuk Chatong Dun Halapu Meghalaya Ripoy District DC RM Kurba SP Spil Thamar West Giant Hills District DC Lapen SP Lakodar Siam and Pen Parta Akaprek Ket Higidinga Tum Chatong Dun Pinpur Mela Puson Ahoy Alam Aputhak Kachingwai Apong Lapen Along Along Podoponlo Bon Chadami Ahok Pet Pen Ahoy Alam Komentu Si Jut Poma Mate Lapuson Sa Por Padam Bom Poma Lake Apor Si Chini Dun Po
Today the district administration from the three districts namely West Giant Hills, Ripoy District and West Karbi Anglong had an official level meeting here to sort out certain border matters that have been actually causing a lot of problems between all these three districts, which also happen to be interstate borders. The matter of the interstate borders actually is a state subject, but we are happy that today the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council was present here in strength along with their officers, and plus of course Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council represented by no lesser person than the Land and Revenue Executive Member in charge, Mr. Rupsing Teron. And what this matter of this seemingly intractable border dispute between Meghalaya and Assam. We hope that, in the words of the legal advisor of Khasi Autonomous District Council, Mr. Erwin Sprunger, he said the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. We are positive that today will be the first step, and the journey of 1,000 miles should be shortened, not in length, but in the time frame. And over here, we have agreed upon certain development activities to be taken up by both the state governments, or both three councils, that is, the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council.
With respect of today's meeting between the three districts, the main aim is to ensure that developmental work in all the three districts are being taken up with prior information to the other district, so to ensure that there's no disruption of work and that people should not get any kind of misinformation and that the feeling of my district, your district, or anything of that sort should not be there. That we just want that people living along the interstate border should live peacefully and in harmony, and other things like border issues, that will be decided by higher authorities. That's it. Thank you so much.
Border meeting today at Nongpu Circuit House between three districts: West Jaintia Hills, Rivhoi District, Nongpo Meghalaya, and West Karbi Anglong, Assam. We had a number of issues relating the border. We had discussed everything in a very cordial and friendly atmosphere, and our main aim is to ensure that people living in the border have peaceful coexistence, and there is mutual development on either side of the border for the benefit of the people. Accordingly, we have decided to share the list of the development schemes on either side of the border. We will examine them and get back to a counterpart.
So lama puthak bangke alang tum assembly long je pare pada lak so alam thege lage government India government tu sila bang tison enjik lage lang tum jo pare pota 1952 lak so government of India tum lak so bangke plak teng si lak so teng pen abang sa lang tum bangke government tu tison enjik lang lo jo pare pota tum noi selang punang itum Karbi Anglong long Autonomous Council long patai ke thom bang du ton masalang jo pare pota la dison ke bang central government tu lang pipida teng lage government ke hai matar ke central government pena so la central government tu season and po la so teng jalo
Hamren hawar mesana towar kaweke anikan ongdung khangjanglo pariwartana sarkar nang kile pen ke dam tanga chiklo John Cap aprang malompen ongdung ka chelanga krong PWD road Hamren division penta sai ke claim ke pangcheng pon theklo bonstami non anta ikrong bakta me sen nai leba towar ke theklong le pin lang kaslam ke tang tanga joliputa salam dedet hino dedet mat salam ledet ateng pusi katni sa phera ke hundor kropen birta nang pali Lake non malom black topping asai ke claim bomb Hamren arong Supiarlo Harlong Jui Divine Spark English Academy Angdenlo Kastalam tanga juanta naini pin lapen bitumin kipikang RP kajok Arlong ta iri pen wung soy soy mi lancho takali kang R2 ong achahadim ke Arlong klang et an pin lo Sai ke claim bomb hud PWD Hamren division atum thangnat ki podun ke thandun kapedat ajok contractor tum aning hangaling si ke claim non la so teng polute chiklui jonata chithar thai ji si angring do bonsita me PWD sai khia tumbe thangnat ke pakeng dunjia phan sai kilang don thekdon long lipin lang pinpur dame PWD baithalang so division la pen umpanai division arlo hai hoi to war kasalam RJ lang mi muchata son bonta pina ana ningkan pen dolo PWD Hamren division pen ikrong bakta mesana to war kasalam theklong le namalam sopor phanbir damam tapaniksina GR Infra Projects Limited, plot number 80, Brahmaputra Industrial Park, Amingaon, Guwahati 781031. Products: bitumen emulsions, coal mix emulsions, PMB, CRMB, metal crash barrier, thermoplastic paint, and bitumen all grades, etc. MS Macro Engineering, authorized dealer. First floor, Cooperative Building, Difu Karbi Anglong, Assam. Contact number 9432533710 or 8638223203 or 8638441464. Please tap in Ishan Motors. A showroom cum sales point of Royal Enfield opposite of Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Dilaji Branch, Rongkhelan, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam. For more details, please contact 97748 73915, 7896 169021 or 957 988 008. Atorkimi Outlet brings you an amazing items for your kitchen and dining like Hawkins, Flax, Milton, Treo, etc. Along with makeup, cosmetics, grocery items are also available according to your needs. Atorkimi Outlet opposite Langpi Dahangi Rural Bank, Difu, Karbi Anglong, Assam.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecuason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang, tharwe alang, theso alang, kecu ajam tu, tharmit aduk, thelua kreng, chitronola, ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo people thalbir talong wang tholong Difurong supi angkang Swachh Bharat Abhiyan mission hinpen kaya mat ke pang thir jerwer Japan phai kunini phai inkora hini arni difo hithi angkang dustbin ke pangni pon Japan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang pen sai ke deng Difurong supi hithi pialong dustbin thom kep ke pangni Japan Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram Ronghang hinpen sai deng pontanglo Anpar the difference pi angkang pangrong pet pen dustbin ner kep an kepang ni ponja phanta sai kedeng pon birta rip tun long dustbin kipang ni ponja sai kedeng pon along man kedo Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chairman long timung lapen EM setun pen cheng lok sai kam sai photuman ta chetong lun rinti Dilai Police Station ki parlo angkang phai kunini phai inkora hini arni dili isi rachitim apor malom Dilai Sarihajan kacheleng atowar HDP Mirja English High School akung LPG ke pleng sera tanker kaching koi birta pherang ke pen birta nang pali LPG ke pleng set a tanker ahiring tang rak pen kaching koi tanker kaching koi ke thekdun long atum pen ke pachania tanki LPG tanker number MN05C1953 akile ki pachat hekte ka joksi ki khang un edera jok towar akung along Athing pipatong pon pet pen ahiring tang rak pen chingkoi lo pusi pachini LPG tanker ka chingkoi birta Dilai police atum birta kilong pen tosekot adimalong pali dunlo lapen ka chingkoi tanker katerek Japan siding ponlo anparta mi ki thur urji angring take do kogajok fire brigade atum phan sitami police atum pen pachini si adung an pali dunlo labang so birta kiripon bomahut tanker ka tewara banga phan Dilai dispensary along ansikilang Japan ponlo Non malom Dilai hanjang lang so kacheleng atowar piki mesena jok kaching koi inglum teta son lapen apran sita kedam tang lapuson ta dolo Birta bang kilapan skang ton poniklo domi thakmi korbang thu